front man and eliminate him too.
If you can't beat him, then let's see more
Ay,
powerful
sana
than
yan?
him.
Definitely, Shelly. I have harnessed all of the pay-to-win skills today so that we can take out the front man and
Shout it up, shout it up, shout it up. May batang may shout it up.
Whoa, you put me around any corner, Tyler.
That's it.
This is crazy. If you have to make our way all the way up these stairs, Shelly, we want to find where the front man is. I know he's hiding, Shelly. He knows that the ultimate pay-to-win talent is coming for him.
And he's always watching.
Hey, it says the door's opening. I need to hurry. Oh my gosh, Shelly. I think I'm gonna get out of here. Oh my gosh, there's so many. We're taking down all of the squid game cards.
You guys get to eliminate me out of here.
There's bodies everywhere, Shelly. It's vengeance for Shelly. Hey, look, what's this?
I don't know shit.
Wait, look, Shelly's like planting a bomb or something. What is going on here? Oh my gosh, come on. Whoa!
What's this place?
I don't know. There's just a bunch of arcade machines. What is going on in here? Why do I feel like there's about to be a boss fight with enemies left? Oh no, Shelly, they're coming out of the doors!
That's it, guys. That's it.
Whoa! Okay, guys, we gotta take out the rest of the squid game cards so we can escape! Let's go, let's go! Come on, come on! What won't be able to do without your help? So subscribe right now, we have it already!
Yes, I said please follow the whole game so we subscribe.
And make sure to like the video. We gotta do it for Snowy. Look, it says it's almost over. Oh my gosh, Snowy, how are you getting out of here?
Really? You guys really do it?
Ano po?
Hey, look, it's the boss. It's literally the front man.
Ano ba?
And you guys are coming in.
Anong kulay?
We're coming in.
Ay.
Oh,
Magas akong kamay.
he's
Sabong.
Snowy, I defeated the front man.
Kain pa lang ako eh.
Snowy respawn is the worst thing that ever happened to them. I just took out the entire
Sabong ano te?
Look, Snowy, I'm gonna fly the helicopter and we're gonna escape. This is so
Tapos
cool.
ano mo?
Yes, we're getting out of there. Oh, dude, this is so cool. Wait, look, Snowy says I escaped. It's so cool. But it's too bad Snowy's not alive anymore. I wish we could enjoy it together. Guys, well, I'm using that money to revive Snowy. You should click on one of those videos that's on your screen right now. Hey, so what your favorite Squid Game game is?
Yeah, guys, if you want to know which one you like the best,
Bye.
Kain. Wait lang. Saan ba ang tubig? Wala na palang tubig.
This is the biggest Walmart.
Mananagpal yung aking mga kasama.
everything we need today.
Wow, Snowy, look at this. They have shirts and they have pants. You think I should try some new colors, Snowy? 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 Where did Snowy go? Snowy? Snowy? Oh no, guys. I think I totally lost Snowy. Snowy, where'd you go? Maybe she went over here to look at the phones in the electronics area. There's somebody. Excuse me. Is that Snowy?
There, Joyce. Oh, finally! I've been waiting for someone to help me over here forever.
Oh, I don't work here. Sorry. I gotta find Snowy.
Best customer service ever.
Maybe she went to look at fruit? Snowy! Man, I don't see Snowy anywhere. Excuse me, have you seen Snowy? Talking to strangers is no help. Oh no, guys. What if something bad happened to Snowy? What if she got kidnapped? I'm getting really worried. You guys gotta help me. Hit the like button right now to help me find Snowy.
Don't bother. She probably told to teach you on purpose.
No way! Snowy would never do that! Leave me alone, Karen! The lights are coming in! Is it gonna work? Can it help me find Snowy?
Awesome, Tyler. Will you please come up to the cash register monsters.
Sige na, lakad na at mag-akyat ako tubig. Yeah.
Yes, it worked! I'm so glad I found you, Silly. Thanks for hitting the like button, guys. I thought I lost you forever.
I was looking at Google the other aisle, and then I couldn't find you. Haven't you guys ever heard of a cell phone?
Oh yeah, I guess I could have called you, Snowy. Wait a second, Red, why are you working at Walmart anyway?
I ran out of money while waiting for Friends Chapter 3 to come out. Anyway, if you guys want to never lose each other again, you need to come.
Kain tayo guys, kain.
Hey, Snowy, I know just the place to do that. Come on!
Hey, what's your big idea, buddy? You're the one who said you were going to help me with the electronics department, and then you never came back. Oops, it's time for my lunch break.
Alright, Snowy, so this is a game where we get to look for each other. It's gonna help us practice finding each other so we'll never lose each other again. Alright, Snowy, so let's click on our friend that we found, and we get to go to the next stage. For the first simulation, imagine if Snowy and I went kayaking on a super foggy day. Wait, Snowy's kayak is just drifting here without her. Oh no, guys, I think I lost Snowy. Hey, wait a second. Snowy's over here building a sand castle. What are you doing on the floor?
Sorry, Tyler. It's just so fun to play this sand. Uh-oh, it's his
Oh.
friends looking at harder and harder to find. Right now, I'm gonna be so
Sabakar tayo, Comeback.
find any of them.
Don't worry, Snowy. If I ever lost some
Red
of these
light.
colored blocks, I would go to blocks that stand out. So look for some colors that might not belong in the rainbow maze.
Okay, Tyler, let's see. There's lots of colors, but it's with black. And they're behind it.
Nice, Snowy, you found me! Oh, guys, Snowy and I went on a trip to Candyland today, and while I was over here
7-Eleven lang din. 7 ang umaga ang buhat, 11 ang gabi.
where could you possibly be?
Like,
Ooh, I know Snowy loves chocolate, but I don't see a bite out of this chocolate. Oh my gosh, I found you, Snowy! Yay!
Tyler, that's not me. It's a candy cane.
Oh yeah, the colors really threw me off. Hey, there's a giant piece of chocolate. Is Snowy eating it? No. Wait, what? Snowy, why are you laying on the ground right there?
Sorry, Tyler. I'm so full from eating all of that chocolate. But Tyler, what if we went into the deep jungles and it turned around and it was flying? I want to find every leaf in every tree to find you.
Oh, what's
Is
that?
it what's sticking out of this bush? Tyler, what are you doing right there?
I'm disguising myself as a tree branch, Snowy, so the bears don't get me.
Oh, Tyler.
Guys, Snowy and I went to check out this ancient mummies too. It's so cool, but I can't find Snowy anywhere. Snowy, did you go inside of the pyramid? Where are you?
I'd probably be on the top, Tyler, because I love to climb things.
Well, I don't see you up here. Wait, I see you down there, Snowy. What are you doing?
Ow, I fell. But Tyler, now it's nighttime. It would be a big city, and I can't find you. Tyler, where are you?
Snowy, if I ever get lost in a big city,
Oh,
my
that's
mom
nice.
told me to not talk to strangers and wait by the nearest trash can. So if you check all the different trash cans, you'll eventually will happy.
Bon, paano mo sa bon mo ang
I'll see you
sabihin?
in it, or around it, or just never over here.
Alright, yeah.
Like,
Yay, you found me! Guys, today Snowy was supposed to meet me at the basketball
Bakit ka na?
court so we could shoot some hoops.
Ma, ito?
But she had some
Ma.
again, and it didn't cover.
Alright lang.
Mr. Please, I want cell phone. I want set.
Round like a basketball? Hey, I found you, Snowy!
Nice, Tyler. Whoa,
Huwag ka kami mo kapag sa bawal ka daw.
this is pretending to hide around here. Can't go inside, so he has to be out here somewhere. Oh, what's this? It's Mr. Garbage. Hello, Mr. Garbage, please. Tyler, what's that, Mr. Garbage? This isn't check by the carrots. Oh, look, there's some carrots over here. And Tyler, what are you doing right here?
I'm hiding, Snowy, because I'm scared. Mr. Gorge told me that there are some viewers that still haven't hit the like button, so I'm hiding from them.
You're right, Tyler. That is scary. It makes me want to hide too.
Guys, hit the like button right now if you haven't already. If you watch this video without hitting the like button, it's scary.
Yeah, it makes me want to hide.
Good strategy. George is a friend, so it's okay to ask him for help. Guys, I have my swim trunks on today because Snowy and I are swimming in the water by the waterfall. This is so fun. Hey, Snowy. Wait, Snowy? Oh my gosh, guys, I lost Snowy. Did she drown? Where is she? Snowy, where are you? Maybe if I climb up here, I'll be able to see where Snowy is. Oh no, guys, I don't see Snowy anywhere.
Sorry, Tyler, I forgot my sunscreen, so I have to go where there's shade.
What are you talking about, Snowy? Where there's shade? Wait a second. Can you go under the waterfall? Oh my gosh, I found you, Snowy!
Here I am! Man, where's Tyler? He's taking so long. We were supposed to take this class together, but I don't see him anywhere. Maybe I can look up where Tyler is on his computer. Aw, man, it's not working. Maybe the teacher's computer works. That usually works. Wait, Tyler!
You found me, Snowy! Guys, I'm at Snowy's house today, and we're in her kitchen. She said that we're gonna be baking a cake today! I can't wait to bake a cake! But she went to
Yeah, and it's
baking
not
class
topic ako.
a long time ago, and I haven't seen her since! Snowy,
Ah.
where are you? Maybe I should try to find the cake ingredients for Snowy. I don't see anything in these cabinets up here. Maybe in this cabinet over here? We need flour, sugar, and Snowy!
You found me, Tyler! Today, Tyler and I went to the Museum of Famous Roblox Players. Look at all these famous Roblox people. Come on, Tyler! 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 Oh, there you are, Tyler!
Hey, Snowy, I just wanted to see what it feel like to be famous.
Gotcha!
Oh no, Snowy, look at the sign! It says only 10% of players can beat some two. That means it's gonna get super hard to find each other.
I don't know if we can do it, Tyler. It's gonna get way harder.
Snowy, where are you? I heard you talk to me, but I don't see you. Is she under one of the leaves on the trees? No, this is already really hard. Wait, what? I found you, Snowy!
Nice,
Yes, na kay Papa Ben. Mag-aircon kayo.
library to look for some comic books, but this place is so
Saan
big
ka,
and
Papa?
I got lost and I don't know where Tyler is or the comic books. Hello? Are you down here somewhere? Oh, look at that tiny little Tyler. Found ya!
Sorry, Snowy, I got distracted by these picture books I found.
Ow! Whoa! Huh? Where am I?
I'm behind you, Snowy! Ow! Oh my gosh, we look so cute!
This is so cool!
Adopt us today at Tyler and Snowy Dog Store.
Don't be sad!
Got Guys, today's game night for Snowy and me, but Snowy hasn't shown up yet. I brought so many dice for game night. Snowy, where are you? When are we gonna start playing with these dice? Wait a second, I'm on a giant die. That's so cool.
I was playing with the dice, but then they fell on me.
Wait, what are you talking about, Snowy? I heard you. Where did that come from? Oh my gosh, Snowy, wait! It looks like you got stuck in between them.
I'm waiting for Tyler while he's at his doctor's appointment, but it's been so long. I should probably go and check on him. Tyler? Wait, what? Isn't this another waiting room? That's kind of weird. I'm Tyler. What? Another waiting room? Hey, it's Tyler.
Hey, Snowy, I've been waiting for this appointment forever. Guys, Snowy and I went hiking today, and it got dark really fast, and I lost Snowy. I don't know where Snowy went. I'm so scared. My mom always told me if I ever get lost in the forest, I should try to find some shelter in case it rains. Hey,
Ayaw
maybe
daw.
some people
Ayaw,
here.
Papa,
Oh,
aircon.
there you are, Snowy.
Bakit?
Kasi po siya mga ay
You need
papa
guys,
dapat
I did.
dapat si papa.
But where's Tyler? Oh no, I don't see Tyler anywhere. He's not doing job. Hey, wait a second. Why do I see some brown pants behind that chair? It could be. Is it really? It's Tyler.
Hey, Snowy, I'm just hiding from that huge giant with the white beard. I thought he was gonna step on me. There's nothing like a good workout wait. We're not gonna be YouTubers anymore. We're gonna be bodybuilders. Come on, Snowy. Let's keep lifting these weights. Wait, Snowy? Oh no, I lost Snowy at the gym. Snowy, where are you? Snowy, wait, what? Snowy, what are you doing down there?
These weights were too heavy. I'd rather just lay down. Finally, we finished making this giant cake. Ooh, it's so good. Tyler, where are you? You're missing out on the cake. Wait a second. I remember this is our cake. Where is he? Tyler, are you inside this glass of
Mama,
milk? Wait,
I
you're
want a
outside
cake and
of
go
it.
buy.
Hey,
I want
Snowy, I
cake.
just got us this glass of milk
Want
in
cake?
case you got thirsty.
Dala ko po ang cake.
Hey,
Ma, eto.
guys, Snowy and I were playing tennis at this new tennis court, and I hit the tennis ball super far. Snowy said that she's looking for where I hit the tennis ball, but it's been a really long time. I'm getting worried. Oh no, I think Snowy got lost. Well, I did hit the tennis ball this way. Snowy, Snowy, oh, I found you, Snowy.
And I found the ball. What a beautiful night in the park. But I haven't seen Tyler in a really long time. He said he was going to go for a walk. Tyler, where are you?
Oh, yeah.
He's really lost in this lane. Tyler, whoa!
Finally, Snowy, I fell down here an hour ago.
Let's get out of here.
Guys, today is our first day working at this new pizza place that opened. This is gonna be so fun. Check it out, I got my pizza outfit on and everything. But if it's so Snowy, she was supposed to clock in with me like an hour ago. Snowy? Has anybody seen Snowy? This is really bad, guys. This place said that we could have all the free pizza we can eat if we're ready. And Snowy would never miss out on pizza. Snowy, where are you?
Ay.
Hey, what's this on the floor? Oh no, guys. It says that we got hired at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. One of the animatronics must have kidnapped Snowy. Snowy, Snowy, Snowy. Did they take you this way? Hey, I found you.
I'm just hiding because they only serve cheese pizza.
What? What's wrong with cheese pizza, Snowy? Cheese pizza is way better than any other type of pizza.
No way! Pepperoni pizza's the best kind of pizza!
Guys, vote in the comments down below. Are you team cheese pizza like me or team pepperoni like Snowy?
Pepperoni pizza is the best kind, and you'll see in the comments and everyone agrees with me, Tyler. Tyler? Hey, Tyler, where are you? He's got to be somewhere around here. Pepperoni pizza. Under the tree like a bag.
Yeah, Snowy, I'm hiding from all that pepperoni pizza. Because cheese is the best. Nothing like a day in the storage unit. It's so fun walking around. Guys, we just got a brand new storage unit, but I can't remember which number it is. Is this the right storage unit? Hey, I got it open and, oh no guys, it just says hello, but there's no Snowy inside.
Tyler, help! The door closed!
Oh no, I can hear you, Snowy. Are you inside this one? Hey, there you are.
Yay! Thanks for finding me! Today's the first day of our new office job, but I can't find Tyler anywhere. I wonder if he got lost. I don't think he knows which cubicle is his. Tyler, where are you? He's gotta be under one of these desks somewhere. Oh, there you are, Tyler. That's how you sit at your desk.
I'm hiding from our boss. He's super mean. Guys, Snowy and I are having so much fun at the bowling alley today. But the working here was being really weird to Snow. He said something about there being a bowling pin shortage, and he kept saying that Snowy would be a perfect bowling pin. What does that even mean? Anyway, I'm gonna grab a bowling ball and let's see if I can get a strike.
Wait, no, Tyler!
Wait, what? Snowy, is that you? It sounded like you was going over here. Oh my god, Snowy, what are you doing back here? You're not a bowling pin.
Yeah, I did. We're writing right to the board, Howard.
Yeah, Snowy, you're the color of these bowling pins.
That was such a fun concert, but where do we park? There's so many cars here, I can't remember. Tyler, do you remember? Tyler? Wait a second, where'd he go? Tyler, where are you? I don't see him anywhere. Oh my gosh, he's under this car.
Snowy, this person just ran over you while they were parking.
Isa?
I'll save you.
Alright, Snowy, I went to the gas station store and I bought those mini powdered donuts you wanted. Wait, Snowy? Oh no, guys, where did Snowy go? She was supposed to be putting gas in her car. Hey, why is there someone sleeping on the hood of her car? Get out of here! Not until you give me $1. Sorry, buddy. I spent my last dollar on these baby powder donuts. Now where's Snowy? Wait, what? Snowy, what are you doing on the floor?
I had to lay down because I got so hungry waiting for the donuts. Guys, it's Christmas morning. There's no egg here, and I need to find you so we can open our presents. Hey, Becky, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Show me where Tyler's hiding. Oh, there you are, Tyler. It's like a bear.
I just wanted to see what you like as a Christmas ornament. Yes, I got the bank vault open, and I'm robbing the bank. Let's rob this bank. Let's rob this bank. We're desperate for money. Snowy, start filling up the money bags, and I'll start. Wait a second, guys. I don't see Snowy anywhere. Oh no, did the security grab her? Did she accidentally trip over the security lasers? Snowy, Snowy. I guess I'll just start grabbing money out of these bank vaults. Wait a second. I see you, Snowy. What are you doing in there?
We put you in this bank vault because our friendship is worth more than all the money in the world.
What? Okay, Snowy. I'll just take you out of here then.
That was such a fun Christmas. What was your favorite gift that you got, Tyler? Tyler, where are you? Are you in this box? No. Oh, you're behind the snowman. What are you doing there? Why are you so tall?
I'll tell you what my least favorite Christmas gift I got was the shrink ray. Guys, Snowy and I are sleeping, and I just finished cutting out my cookies. Luckily, I got a really like umbrella. Wait a second. Oh no, I don't see Snowy anywhere. I think she got the umbrella. you spent all of my money.
Look, Tyler, it says you can punish your son. What does that do?
Oh yeah, okay, maybe we'll put him on like a timeout or something. Son, I swear, I'll punch you so hard.
What? Who did that?
Oh, I hear sirens. What's going on? Whoa! It's the FBI! We're on the report. After request for assaulted a fire. Oh, I didn't lay my hand on it. Oh, they sent me to jail.
Tyler's shaking.
Oh, man, I don't belong in this place. Now how am I gonna get my money back?
Let's try again, Tyler. There's might be another way.
Look, silly. It says that there's a bunch of other endings. So far, I got behind bars. Let's see if we can unlock all of them today. Hey, look, silly. There's a dollar in my couch. Things are already looking better. And there's cash over here. Let's see if I can find any more cash outside.
Ooh, keep looking everywhere for cash, Tyler.
Let's see here. Hey, what's that on the ground? Oh my gosh, so look at this. Somebody dropped their wallet on the floor.
Quick, Tyler, grab it before anybody sees.
Finders keepers. It's my wallet now. Oh, wallet. I think I'll just steal it. Yes. Ah, what the? Oh my gosh. Mr. Beast, you have just failed my social experiment.
Look, guys, this person just tried to steal our wallet. Like and subscribe for a million years of good blood.
No, look, Sally. They caught me on camera. I'm gonna need Mr. Beast video.
And that is why you don't steal a wallet, guys.
Well, that was bad, Sally. Hey, at least I unlocked another ending. Let's keep playing and see if I can get my money back.
That was super unexpected. I can't wait to see what else happens.
I wonder if I can do something on TV. Oh, I can click on it.
But what does that do? It has a button above the TV now?
That's weird. Wait, everybody listen, Silly? The number goes up. Click, 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 click. I don't know what this is doing, and I don't think it's helping, but I'm clicking. Whoa! What is that? I'm trying, Silly, but it's stuck in place. I got the Walter Yellow ending. I think that's Walter Yellow.
Maybe I have a button inside of your TV.
But now I've been released.
Hey, Tyler, maybe we should go to the bank and see if we can do a loan.
Silly, I'm pretty sure the bank is right down here. Look, check it out. It's the bank with a lot of cash inside. Yes!
That's exactly what you need.
So this is the bank, what's back here? Oh,
Hey, this is a restricted area.
oh, sorry. I didn't know I couldn't go back there.
That's probably where they keep all of the money, Tyler.
Totally silly. I have to find a way to sneak past him. Oh man, he keeps just pushing me back. Let's see what's going on over here. It says sign here if you want to regret something in the future. Let's sign this paper and see what happens.
What are you gonna regret, Tyler?
Hopefully I'm not gonna regret signing this paper. It's kind of taking a long time. Come on, I'm signing it. I'm signing it. And what the?
I'm laughing at you.
How can they just laugh at me like that? I'm desperate for money. Let me behind the counter. Well, he just keeps pushing me back. I know if I get past this guy, I can get that money, Snowy.
This is my last warning. You are to run in here. He's gonna get caught. Just run past him, Tyler.
No, I think he's right, Snowy. I should probably just go home and get a running start. Oh,
You asked for it.
wait, ask for what? What are you gonna do? Oh no, it's a shotgun! No! Oh,
Aw, man. He oofed you, Tyler.
where am I? Snowy, leading to the pearly gates. He sent me straight to heaven.
And you got that? This is a restricted area ending.
Now how am I gonna get my money back? At least I got another ending.
Look, Tyler, what if there's a way that Walter Yellow can help you?
Oh yeah, I did release him from the TV. I wonder if I can find him. Let's see. Now where does Walter Yellow live? Oh, Walter Yellow. Hey, I haven't been this way yet.
Look, Tyler, what's that over there?
This guy? Wait a second. Oh my gosh, it's Walter Yellow! Okay.
My name is Ice Earth, the biggest criminal of all time.
Let's see. I can ask him to help me rob the bank. Perfect!
Sure, just give me 100 cash, and I'll give you a straight to knock down that car.
Then the door can't stop you.
Yeah, this is gonna be perfect! And look, Snowy, why does he have a little pink man next to him?
What's that?
I'll take it. Look, Zoe's expression changed.
He doesn't look too happy.
I have to collect $100. Wasn't there a dollar right here? Yes, there is. Okay, that's 40, 50, 60. Is there anything in my fridge? Let's see. Hey, look, there's a dollar.
Nice, we're almost there.
Let's see if there's any money in my son's room. You steal from me, buddy. I steal from you. Hey, look, Zoe, there's a dollar right there. I'll take that.
I just need to find 2 more.
Whoa, Madden, I'm stealing your soccer ball. This soccer ball's mine now.
Okay, Tyler, there's a soccer goal right there.
Oh, yeah. Wait a second, Zoe. Let's see if I can score a goal with my son's soccer ball.
That sounds like fun.
Here we go, guys. I'm going for the soccer goal. Hey, soccer ball, get back here. Come on, come on. I meant to do that. Let's go. Oh, wow. That's the greatest goal I've ever seen in my whole life. I got a shirt that has a picture of himself. I will tell you, you're playing on my soccer team.
Whoa, you gotta do it.
Oh my gosh, look, Zoe. I'm now a professional soccer player. Let's go.
And you're going to become a soccer player, Amy. Now you have tons of money.
Check it out, guys. I have over $12 million now. Being a professional soccer player is awesome.
Wake up, Tyler.
Being a soccer player is so cool.
Tyler, wake up.
But wait, oh man, I guess I took a nap in my son's bed and stretched that out as a professional soccer player.
Tyler, were you trying to rob the bank or something?
It's awesome walking Look, silly, I happen to match the band for the syringe.
Yes, would be awesome.
All right, buddy, I got the cash. Let's go business with you. Go, let's see. Hey,
Go, Tyler, go.
everybody get on the ground. I'm not fucking needle, and I'm not afraid of music. Guys, I'm a broken needle. Come on, why is nobody letting me through?
You out now.
I guess they don't want him to lose me again.
Try for me to find the needle.
Okay, let's go. Oh, I got it, silly, look at that. Bank robbery. What's back here? What the? Here. Oh, it's just an office. Let's go. Down here, silly. Look, it says that way. Oh, well. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. I gotta get past these lasers.
You can't move now, Tyler. This is the fault I had.
Look, it's this tip. Touch the lasers to walk faster.
Okay, Tyler.
Yeah, look, they put that there in case he tries to rob the bank.
Tyler says punch a laser, please. Don't do it.
Yeah, that's right, Dave. I'm gonna steal all your money. Let's go. Okay, so I gotta do active parkour to the bank vault. Let's go. Wait, how am I supposed to open this vault? Oh yeah, I guess I don't need a code or anything. I should have brought some explosives with me. Oh my gosh.
Wait, you didn't bring any explosives?
Zoe, look at it. They got me.
Aw, you got the big fail ending.
Aw, man, I got caught. So I'm gonna find something explosive to open up the bank vault. Where can I get that?
Hey, have you checked the house across the street?
Oh yeah, I guess I have it. Looks Zoe, the welcome mat says go away. I don't know if anybody lives here. Whoa, look at this place. Oh, there's somebody living here. Who's this guy?
Don't wake him up, Tyler.
Okay, Zoe, I'll let that guy sleep. Maybe I can find something explosive in here. Or, wait a second. Look, there's a safe right here. I bet it has money in it.
Maybe you can steal money out of there.
Yes, Zoe, let's do it. Aw, man, it needs a code.
There's numbers all over. Maybe we can figure it out.
There are so many numbers. And look at the sign, Zoe. It says good luck with the code. Please. Because it's going to be super hard. How am I supposed to do this? The numbers literally on the floor, Zoe.
Well, we may as well start.
Man, there's so many numbers. I don't even know what's going on.
Kaya makit mo kay Papa.
It says, do not disconnect. And the safe is plugged into the wall.
Maybe if you unplug it, you don't need the code.
Okay, let's try unplugging the safe. I unplugged it. Let's see, guys. Oh my gosh, it worked.
And it has tons of money.
Yes, let's go. I'm getting out of here. Oh no.
Not so fast, buddy. Did you really think you could steal from me that easily?
Yes.
I will make you regret ever
makes it here alone. So this is someone else that fell into the trap? Can you tell me how to get out of here? Just enter this maze and try not to get lost. Oh, okay. Take my lantern with you.
You doesn't sound too good.
I don't think I have much time left. Good luck. Oh no, he's gone.
Tyler!
That is so sad. Well, he said I could take his lantern. Anyways, gotta go to the store. You should never try to steal what I say.
Yeah, Tyler, every time I try and steal something bad happens.
Well, I still do have this bag of cash. When I got to the stage, if you might get out of your street, I can take the cash with me. So this way, what the heck is that?
It looks like some weird entity.
I'm not going down that way. Why? Don't let me. Just trying to sweep this maze so I can go home. Hey, look who it is, Snowy. It's this way. So good to see you again, Mr. Torch. What's that, Mr. Torch? Guys, Mr. Torch says the only way to make it out of this place is to deal with your lifeline.
Guys, look at my money right now. We really need your help to get out of here.
Thanks, Mr. Torch. It's always a good time seeing him.
Thanks for hitting the like button, guys. Hopefully it'll help us get out of here.
Whoa, look at this place. It's already healthy, guys. I think this is the way out. Okay, let's get past these giant swinging axes. Okay. Woo, that was close. Oh my gosh, this is crazy, Snowy.
Who knew that this was under that abandoned looking house?
And look, there's a ladder right here. Yo, I still got the cash. Let's go. Hopefully this is the right way out.
Where are we now?
Yes, we made it outside. And I got that money.
Hey, Tyler, and you got to steal from your neighbor, I think.
Aw, yeah, thanks for hitting the like button, guys. It really worked. Guys, I have good news and I have bad news.
Ooh, what's the good news?
Well, the good news is we successfully stole that bag of money. The bad news is it only had $30 in it. My son spent over $200,000.
What? That's insane.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to find another way to get that money, Joey. Hey, I haven't looked in here yet. Whoa, what's this way?
It looks like a basement.
Oh yeah, it is. Do I have any explosion down here? I don't want to rob the bank. Hey, look at this door. It's locked. I don't remember where I left the keys.
Whoa, is that a secret room? I wonder what's in there.
Yeah, we have to find out. Okay, let's look for that key and look for something explosive to rob the bank.
Hey, Tyler, is that a guy up on the neighbor's house?
Oh yeah, it is. Wait, who is that guy? I never noticed him before. Let's go up there and talk to him. Hey, what are you doing on the roof of the neighbor's house? What? It looks like a hobo.
You should talk to him, Tyler.
I'll talk to him. Good evening. Could you give me some cash? What do you think, Silly? I need $30 after all the effort today.
Asan na yung
Should I give
ano?
him $5?
Susukan mo kanina.
Wizard in disguise, and he's trying to get up to steal your club.
Oh yeah, that does kind of look like a wizard. Okay, I'll give him $5.
Wow, you're so kind. Consider this a retribution for your kindness.
Wait, what? Silly, he gave me a key. I think that's my basement key. Why did you have my basement key? Right, see that, Silly? He just disappeared.
I think he was a wizard, Tyler.
But why did he have the key to my basement? Man, I'm taking my $5 back. Give me that.
Let's see what's in that secret room.
Yeah, Joey, we have the key now. Let's open it up. Whoa, what is this place? Oh my gosh, Zoe, I think these are all the pets that my son bought for my money.
And he just threw them down here and locked it up.
What is the point of this? Why do you have all these pets down here? What even is this place? I don't remember ever coming to this part of the house. It looks like this is where my son keeps his pets. Yeah. Whoa, what the heck? Oh my gosh, look, Zoe!
What's going on?
The entrance got blocked. I can't get out of here now. Well, I think I'm stuck in here now.
Hey, it looks like there's an audience over there.
Oh yeah! What is this thing doing under my house? Look at all the pets! What is
There's so many.
Where does this obby lead to? This is the craziest day ever, Zoe. Oh!
What's this thing die?
Because that's what happens when this time. I can't touch the lava.
Yeah, I really want to see what's at the end of this zombie.
By the way, guys, if you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe right now.
You don't want to miss the crazy videos we have coming up.
Yeah, guys, and we play all of the best Roblox games first, so you do not want to miss out.
Look, Tyler, this is the end of the army.
That is. Whoa, what's in this giant room? Hey, there's gold in here. Oh my gosh, who is that guy?
What are you doing in my hideout?
Your hideout? Dude, this is literally my house's basement.
It's the Pet King.
Doesn't matter, get out of here immediately!
I know.
Then you shall face the consequences! Uh-oh!
What is going on? Whoa! What the? It's a boss fight!
It's a pet boss fight.
Why, Pet King? Why? Did this what my son spent all my money on? This is insane!
Wait, is that called real?
I don't know, Zoe. Maybe it's like Roblox gold or something. Oh my gosh, this is crazy though. How am I gonna defeat this guy?
I have no clue, Tyler. He's way bigger and powerful than you.
Just give up already!
Never! Give me my money back and I'll leave you alone.
I will never give you your money back! Guys, eliminate this fool!
Guys, who's he talking about? Oh no! Look, Zoe! It's a
Ha!
bandit pet.
Hindi naglalak.
Get him! Get him! Ow! 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 They bite kind of hard.
Be careful, Tyler. You're seriously OP.
Ingat.
They better be. My son spent $200,000 on that. Okay, maybe I can get him stuck. Ow! Ow! They keep biting me.
Dahil ng
You're
grabe.
almost super low, but so is theirs.
Come on, come on! Yes! I defeated them! What
Yeah.
now? Oh no! Even bigger ones!
What are you gonna do, Tyler?
I have to get them stuck like that, and yes! My plan is working! I cannot be defeated!
That is 2,000 IQ, Tyler.
My son is gonna be in so much trouble if I make it out of this alive!
You're a good fighter, I'll give you that! But you definitely can't beat me! Prepare to be eliminated!
Wait, where'd he go, Zoe? Ah! But it's a Pet King!
You have to beat him, Tyler.
Okay, guys, cannot get this guy stuck. Just like I got the other ones. Come at me, bro! You're never gonna beat me! Let's go, let's go. And yes, that's kind of working, Zoe. It's kind of working. Yes, I'm gonna defeat this bull!
Hurry, Tyler, before he figures out your plan.
I've almost got him, guys. I've almost got him. Yes!
I can't believe it! I have been defeated!
Why is the whole place shaking?
I have no idea. Yo, look, Zoe, now I'm the Pet King. Oh, yeah!
I expected to beat the price ending in 200K.
Yes, I got my $200,000 back! Son, you have no idea what I had to do to get my money back. I am very disappointed in you. Now that I have all my money back, I'm hungry. Let's see what we have in the freezer.
Oh my gosh, Tyler, is it this? Did you eat it from a big bowl?
Oh my gosh, Zoe, I think it is. But I did get my money back. What do you think? Should I walk
Sabi
away?
mo si Papa B.
You
Pag masarap ko sabihin mo hindi maayos yung
I'm
mga
gonna rob
vlog.
a bank with this. This is gonna be awesome. Hey, look, Zoe. R.I.P. the Pet King. I put this out, you guys, as a warning to all other Roblox games that try to steal my Roblox.
Yeah, don't mess with Tyler.
Everybody hands up! I got TNT and I'm not afraid to use it!
Look, Tyler, you're saved after the phone.
Oh, right. Everybody just ignore what I just said. Hello! Got him! Let's go!
Right, Tyler, run!
Come on. I gotta go this way. I gotta hop over the lasers. I gotta get there before the SWAT team shows up.
They're already on their way, Tyler, hurry!
I'm gonna use this TNT to open the big ball. Oh my gosh, Zoe, look at it. Oh, let's go!
It totally worked!
I got that money. Oh, what's going on? Oh no, look, Zoe.
We're all waiting for you.
Put your hands behind your back. You are under arrest. But why?
Because you had just won the big door!
It wasn't me though. I was just withdrawing some cash. Yeah. The robber is still inside the bank. You guys probably want to go after that guy, not me.
Oh, sorry! You can go then! Thanks for the info!
What? I can't believe that worked!
No problem. Look, Zoe. I'm just gonna million I stole.
Tyler, that was awesome!
Let's go! Best day ever!
And you got the epic bank robbery ending!
You know what's silly? I may have gotten all this money now, but I'm still pretty mad at my son. I think it's time for me to go have a new son and a new life far away from here.
What? So you're leaving your son?
Yeah, Snowy, it's time for me to do what a dad's gotta do. I'm gonna go to the store over here and get some milk, if you know what I'm saying.
You mean you're gonna go out to get some milk and never come back?
Yeah, Snowy, it's what I must do. So I'll take this milk here.
Your total is $60.
$60 for some milk? Fine, I'll pay the $60.
Thank you. Next time, you should try stealing it, Tyler.
Yeah, that's a ripoff. And hey, look, Snowy, wanted, author of bank robbery. I'm on the wanted posters now from when I robbed the bank.
Luckily, you're already leaving town.
Yeah, seriously, let's get out of here. Look, Snowy, it says I can abandon sign. I'm sorry, son, but if I stick around here, eventually they're gonna find out it was me. So, son, you have left me no choice.
Where are you going, Tyler?
To a city far, far from there. Look at my new apartment, Snowy.
Ew, it looks gross.
And there's rats running around.
And you got the abandoned son ending.
I had to do what I had to do, Snowy. Anyway, I'm hungry. What do I have to eat? Ew, what? There's just a rat in there.
That's disgusting.
Is there anything else to eat here? Hey, some pizza! Oh man, it's pepperoni pizza! This day can't get any worse!
What? That doesn't make any sense, Tyler, because pepperoni pizza is the best kind of pizza.
What are you talking about, Snowy? If it was cheese pizza, it would be way better!
Tyler, you are so wrong. You guys, vote in the comments down below. Are you team cheese pizza like Tyler or team pepperoni pizza like me?
Team cheese for life!
Pizza. Tyler, what else can you buy from this store?
Hey look, I can get a lottery ticket. It's only $10.
Maybe you'll win it big, Tyler.
Yeah, let's see if I win the lottery. Come on, I'm getting out of here.
Wait, you need to pay for that.
Oh no, look, the cashier caught me.
You aren't trying to steal from the store, are you? The price of a stolen items comes out of my salary, you know.
I thought it was free.
I'm assuming that you simply forgot to pay it for leaving, so I'm giving you a chance to pay it now.
Oh, Snowy, I don't have any money on me. What am I supposed to do?
It looks like you don't have enough money to pay for it.
So, we're cool then? Can I just leave?
What a shame.
Oh no, what is she gonna do, Snowy? Oh, what the heck? What's going on?
It looks evil, Tyler.
Why? Why is this happening? I can't move! Ah! Oh no! He moved me, Snowy!
And they just threw you away.
I think he just threw my head away. I think he cut off my head.
You got the shoplifter ending, and that's why you don't try and steal.
It's Snowy stealing from the bank is how I got all of my money. Look, there's wanted posters all over town.
Wait, why didn't you just ask for a job? It says they're hiring.
Oh yeah, it does say that. Okay guys, let's apply for the job. Hopefully they don't notice that I'm the guy in all the wanted posters, you know, because that'd be pretty awkward.
Hello, how may I help you?
I'm here for the job.
Yeah, we're hiring. Would you like to apply for a job?
Sure.
Okay, here's the deal. You know the abandoned house over there?
The neighbor?
They want you to take it for us. But that homeless guy simply won't get off the road. Take it out of there for us, and you get the job.
Oh yeah, so you remember the hobo that gave me the key? How am I supposed to make him leave?
You should try to slow him or something like that.
What? I guess I'm gonna be using the dynamite again.
She's pure evil, Tyler.
Well, Snowy, that hobo did steal my basement key, so maybe he has it coming.
Oh, hobo, we have something for you.
Surprise, surprise! Oh, look, I put it on his fire! It's gonna blow! It knocked me off the roof!
Is he gone?
Yes, Zoe, look! He's nowhere to be seen!
Let's go get that John.
Okay, I'm gonna finally make an honest living, guys.
Yeah, no more stealing, no more exploding things.
Maybe they'll forgive me, for the bank robbery that I'm wanted for once I have the job.
You took him out of the house? Great! You are the new bank manager. Let me introduce you to your new office.
Yo, look, Zoe! I now grind the bank.
That's awesome! You're going to get a job ending.
Now that's left is for you to click on one of those videos that's on your screen right now.
And subscribe if you haven't already. See ya!
Bye! Hey, Stilly, have you ever noticed that the slides on the playground are kind of boring?
Yeah, they're never long enough.
Everybody knows, Stilly, a slide is only good if you get hurt on the way down.
Tyler, what do you mean by that?
Oh, you'll see, Stilly. Come on, follow me. Let's go down the giant slide. Whoa! Here we go. Ow, ow, whoa. It's the rainbow slide.
This one is super fun! Oh my god!
Whoa! Ow! 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 We're bull wrapped almost, Zoe. I think we're breaking all of our bones as we're going down the slide. And I made it to the end! Yes! I got one win!
And I got this little cat! Come on, cat, let's go down again! I want to go down that candy slide! Here we go!
Woo! Here we go! I like how our pets are just floating behind us. They're not even doing the slide with us! Ow! 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 I think these pets just like to watch us break all of our bones, Zoe. Ow!
They're support animals, Tyler! They're there to keep us happy!
Oh, here we go, here we go. This is crazy. Okay, yes, into the wins. So now we have 2 wins, Zoe. Wait, we can't unlock the next area because we paid 1 win for our pets. Aw, man. Well, Zoe, over you see the bottom of the rainbow slide again. Woo!
Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? It looks like you're in the lead right now, but not for long!
Oh, yeah, here we go. We're going down the rainbow slide. Guys, you're going to be unlocking the most insane slides this game has to offer. I'm determined to make it all the way to the end, Silly. I heard the slides are going to get pretty crazy.
Yeah, with each level comes a crazier slide! Come on, Tyler, let's go unlock the next one!
Yo, look, Zoe, we made it to the candy area. Oh, I hope they have gummy candy.
Who needs gummy candy? They have chocolate over here!
Chocolate? Come on, Silly. Gummy candy is way better than chocolate candy, and everybody knows that.
That is so not true, Tyler. Chocolate's the best! Guys, go in the comments down below. Are you team gummy candy or team chocolate candy?
I'm Team Gummy Candy for life! Here we go, guys. I'm going down the candy slide. I think this is a giant piece of bubble gum. Ow! It's not as stretchy and bouncy as I expected, Zoe. My bones keep getting broken. This is like if broken bones added giant slides to the game.
Yeah, Tyler, beat bubble gum. It's sticky and tasty.
Woo! This is so fun. Oh, here we go, guys. The last slide, and it gave me 2 more wins. Yes!
Whoa, that would give us 2 wins? We need 15 wins to get to the ocean slide, Tyler. Come on, let's go down the candy slide again.
Maybe this will help me, guys. I'm gonna buy this limited time Sussy Amoga. Let's see what he's done. So I bought it. Oh my gosh, look! It gives me an imposter bag. What is that gonna do? I think it's gonna help me go faster. Let's see! Guys, I think I'm being followed by the imposter right now. Oh my gosh, come on, let's go! How are we not falling off of these slides, Zoe? I am so bouncy right now. I'm bouncing across this entire thing. Oh, yes!
Guys, I'm gonna take the limited time super cat. Let's see if that helps us get some more wins.
Zoe, it says that the Sussy Amogas has 20 speed every speed that we gain. The longer we hear, the more speed we get, and the faster we go down the slide. Oh my gosh, Zoe, nice Smurf cat, that wins!
Whoa, Smurf Cat's always watching over me.
I don't like how the imposters always almost following me, Snowy. It's kind of scary. I feel like it's gonna move me any second.
Smirket can always be trusted. Come on, Smirket, let's have this fun. Whoa, Tyler, I fly way higher through the air with Smirket by my side. Whoa, I flew past the winner circle.
Guys, right now, I only have about 3,000 speed. Whoa! Okay, 3,000 speed is actually pretty awesome. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, this is crazy. Shelly, what's it gonna be like when we have over 100,000 speed?
I have no clue, Tyler. I think we'll just go right through the air into the winner circle.
Guys, if you hit the like button in the next 3 seconds, I'm gonna get over 100,000 speed. 3, 2, 1, hit the like button! Oh my gosh, it worked! Look guys, I'm 101,000 speed! What is that gonna be like? I'm kinda scared. Here we go! 100,000 speed! I'm flying! Oh my god! Snowy! 100,000 speed was so cool! But guys, every time you complete the slide, it resets your speed back to how it was before. That was insane. I feel so slow now. So you have to try 100,000 speed.
All right, I have to try it. Tyler said. I'm a little scared, Tyler. That sounds intense. Ready, Smirket? Ready, Smirket? Let's go! Down the slide. Whoa, I just
Naku, hindi ko mabuksan yung ano ko eh.
This is crazy. And now I can unlock the next area.
It's silly. When we unlock the next area, I'm gonna buy 2x wins, so we can unlock all of the areas a lot faster.
And Tyler, I'm gonna spin the wheel. Let's see what I get. Hopefully something good. I got 16% speed.
Ooh, we unlocked the next area! Guys, Snowy thinks she's so cool with her Smurf pet. What about if I have double Smurf pets? Check it out, Snowy. It's the Smurf Cat Slide! And let's see what it's like when I go down the blue slide. Whoa! I'm pretty sure this is the Smurf Cat Slide. Oh my gosh, guys, look how bumpy this slide is. Oh!
Tawagin mo nga si Papa. Tama. Si Papa tawagin mo. Tama. Tulog na ba? Ha? Hindi ko ano tong binili niyang padlock eh. Mailak. Ang hirap, ang hirap. Oy, Ma'am Chanda Guapa. Babay na po. Kayo matutulog na. Thank you sa lahat. Good night.